Hi, welcome back Greenfingers. I'm Marites and you're watching Greenfingermom. If you are new to my channel, feel free to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like and share my video in your family and friends. With that said, I am not a complete gardening expert and this experience is what I need only choose to learn during my free time. And now, without further ado, let's get started. Previously, we discussed about the snake plant and now we will repot my water propagation of golden pothos. For almost a month, my golden pothos thrived in the water and now it has roots. Some of the leaves has roots already and we will repot into soil. Pothos is a tropical vine which commonly grown as a houseplant. It's widely grown indoors for ornamental purposes and due to its low maintenance and tolerance to low light conditions. But wait, there's more. As you can see, there's roots some of the leaves, so I choose only those who has roots already before transferring into soil. But wait, there's more. Amazing pothos plant's benefits. It's low maintenance, as we said, in moist and dry environment and low light nga, and in direct sunlight, and water only when soil turns to dry to touch. And it is easy to propagate like this. And some of it is just from cuttings from the mother plant. And we will just remain in the water bottle those who has still no roots and grows without sunlight, and this is also an air purifying house plant according to NASA, like spider plant, and it increases humidity. It is also trailing plant or climbing, whatever suits you. It is versatile. You can train in decorative purposes and loop or other shape. And that's it. So I just repot it into soil, and I'll just show you some of my pothos who thrive in the soil already, from direct to the soil planting. So I just changed the water for the few leaves left. And according to Feng Shui, it is considered energy force cleanser to the negative forces. So it makes sense. It also removes toxic chemicals. So it also absorbs carbon dioxide or ozone according to Malaysian study. And some 14 Japanese men research that touching the leaves has calming effect and peaceful effect. And also it is called money plant due to the belief that growing it can make you richer and wealthier. So it is recommended to put in your near Wi-Fi or TV router or computer to reduce your stress and to have a sleep and better quality of sleep. So as you can see, those are the direct planting on the soil. It has already some of trailing leaves and with roots already. And as of this today, those 3 leaves has growing roots already, but still young, so I will just keep on the water. So that's it. I like this. It's a heart shape and variegated golden pothos. And other term for this is, scientific name is Epipremnum aureum. So I like this. And some of the study also, it can relieve your eye irritation. So when you look at it. So, happy planting! Enjoy!